See, pneumatic valves or valves is a device which control and regulates the start, finish, direction, and pressure of the flow of air. So what first the valve out, mostly these valves are used is a device which controls minimum control kata, then regulates the flow, regulates the starts, finish, direction, and pressure of the flow of air. Okay. Then there are few types of valve used in the pneumatic. So generally, basically, there are 5 types of valve mostly used in the pneumatic. First one is directional control valve. DCV. What is my directional control valve? This is the main valve in the pneumatic system. Okay, it directs what to do and what not. Technology direction control valve. Based on this valve, the actuators operate. This valve, along with, we have to provide the push button or something. Once push, if you give that air supply to the push button compressor will go to the piston. Then piston will come out or come close, that will see. It will get a work done. Second is pressure control valve. If there is lot of pressure, maximum more than enough, so pressures are, then we have pressure control valve. Means it keep the pressure of the air in the vessel a required amount, not more than it. If it is come more than that, the pressure valve that will get open again to spring full. So when excess pressure it will throw out. Pressure control valve. Whether your prestige cooker, okay, when it gives alarm city mata with 1, 2, 3, actually what happens, and it is going out steam by. So the spring force against the title with it will press the steam by the. Only one example how this pressure relief valves are working. Non-return valve. Non-return valve is what? Non-return valve. So we discussed in the plumbing case, no plumbing part, or we have that. Now if there is a flow in one side, and it will allow to go in the same this direction only. Suddenly, if the non-return valves stop, that flapper is came back on the ship. Whatever the liquid left from that this side, no, so it will not come back because it will come and hit to the valve shape. So which is against the valve, so it will be closer. Non-return valve. Then pressure control valve. Pressure control valve, we have flow control valve. This valve is used to control the air pressure as per the required purpose. We can adjust. Third is non-return valve. Non-return valve will go sound sector. अब तो साल रहा है non-return valve. इसको is one and restricted flow in the other side. Flow control valve again. This type of valve is allowed to use the fluid or whatever compressor in only one type. Flow control valve, and it gives the required control. Makes some of the pistons or dark after. You want to reduce the speed, low in after color, then you can control that. You can tighten the knob and you can give the required pressure to the system. Okay, flow control valve. Here to then shut off valve. Shut off means close valve. Shut off valves and shut off valves are used in some different applications. What is my direction control valve? Direction control valve. So every time you will come to know in hydraulic system and pneumatic system, there is a direction control. Directional valve it's a main valve action which directs to how to operate this thing, actuator, or you can say shaft, cylinder with piston. First, pressure control valve. So the direction control valve. The direction control valve controls the way the air passes and are used principally for controlling the commencement, termination, and direction of airflow. So this valve is like an operator valve, which gives the direction how to go. Direction control valve controls the way the air passes. Air passes the way kata, and used principally for controlling the commencement. So the principally conductor, controlling the termination and direction of the airflow. So termination and direction of the airflow, everything is decided by the direction control valve. Depending on the number of paths the air is allowed to take, the direction valves are termed into two-way or three-way, four-way or multi-way valves. So, just the operated system of the capacity valves are modified. Two-way also. Okay. There are like direction control valve like term two ways, three-way, four-way, multi-way, etc. The multi-way direction control valve is here. The number of ports or operating ways, there are two. There are only two ports for operating ways. And way 3, way 4, way 5, and way etc. The number of position, 2 position, 3 position. Number of position, 2 position, and 3 position, etc. Method of actuation of the volume, manual air pilots, solenoid valve, etc. Same feature of operation manually over the right axis. Up to here, it is clear. You have to read it. The advantage of that pressure regulating valve. Then pressure control valve controls the pressure of the air flowing through the valve or confined in the system. If the pressure to air avita poi to thanta, and it gives the signal to the main control. These are divided into 3 groups. So pressure control valve apo, they are divided into 3 groups. First, these valves maintain constant operating pressure regardless of fluctuation in the air and main pressure and air emission rate. So pressure regulative valves they maintain a constant operating pressure maintain करता. Fluctuation in the air may pressure or air conversion rate. So fluctuation वाला थोड़े से air और pressure down सकते. So air. Simple pressure regulating valve is showing figure. This is the one example of pressure regulating valve. Okay, this is the adjustment screw here, spring. This is the symbol. This is for use. Diaphragm. So plumber. This is flow P1 and flow to P2. See, these valves are used mainly as a safety valves. They prevent the maximum possible pressure in the system from being exited. If the maximum pressure has been cracked at the end inlet, the valve outlet is open and air is blows on the atmosphere. The valve remains open until in spring close it after reaches the press pressure. So ultimately air pressure limiting valves. Sequence of valve, how the valves are sequenced. These valves are on the same principle as shown in figure, limiting valve. Figure shows the airflow from P to A is opened by if the present pressure has built up in the pilot set. The pilot spool opens the passage for P or to A. So this is the P and A is a pressure ports. These are the what? What is this? So it's pressure regulating valve. Sequence of valve. How these valves are. The general hydraulic valve it become first P multiplied and then letters. These valves are used to control the air pressure. So एक valve connect करतो ते valve के फाटल्यान there are some letters असतात. P port असतो, A असतो, B असतो. There you have to find it. Mainly here we have to use 2 types of valve. Directional control. We are talking about only directional control valve. Okay. first 3/2 valve or 5/2. 3/2 valve magnet, there will be a 3-port, 2 position. But take a valve compress here bigger total कितले असतात 3 port. बाहेर असतो 3 साइड होल असतात and 2 position magnet close असतात 1 position. ज्यांना compressor येलो it will shift from here to next position. So valve operator, this can operate with the help of pilot operated push button, roller, or by a solenoid valve. इतने logical clear करे, हाँ? Same way 5/2 valve में बोलो, तो भी अगर 5/2 valve में there will be 5 port. Okay, that 5 stands for there will be 5 port. Again there will be P letter after that. So the pressure then A, B, C, D, E, F something. There will be 5 ports, pressure ports, and their inlet, outlet, and exhaust. Exhaust means from the atmosphere going. That is a 5/2. 5 port, 2 position. Same way, 2 position magnet. If we operate with the push button or limit switch or by roller or by solenoid valve magnet. The trainer लाला बोल, एक light पट्टा पर मुझे automatic चलता बोल, एक हम solenoid valves. They are now operating actually. They automatic के तो चलता है manual we are pressing the button. So same वाला स्टा operating system में भी different. है? म्हणजे एक दो अल्टरनेटिव में बारिश दोन पेट्रोल का दाब है. फिर तुम कहाँ पर कि 5/2 आता होगा एक तुमका sequence of valve दिला ना. When you are come तो बिल्कुल understand आता है पोया. First is this valve work at the same principle as the pressure limiting valve. The figure air flows from P to A. Where is P here? Air flows from P to A. P means pressure put. तुम्ही समज valve connect केला समज P असली direct जे compressor में pipe येता पोय after FRL. Filter down regular जाते हैं air you have to connect to the P-port. Correct? It's very important. So तुम P-port आगे लाओ. मागे तुमके cylinder next pipe हो जाते हैं. Remaining जो port होता है पर 3 or 4, there you have to connect to your cylinder or actuator anyway. अब मुझे ये flow regulator वाला flow regulator लाओ. So speed कम तो you can regulate the flow. And this तो मैं gate लगा था. You can put a shuttle valve, and gate or gate, depend on the which type of operation you want to perform. Basically this pneumatic system works. See first, the figures air flow from point P to A is open only if the preset pressure has built up in the pilot Z. So in a pilot Z असं. क्या ना पर things of bigger pressure so जाते तो against the spring force होता नहीं, त्यानं तो port open जाता. I think एक वाला सांगला. A pilot spool opens the passage P to A. Correct? So Z जेना तक open करता पोय. If it's preset the pressure has built up in the pilot Z and the pilot spool opens the passage P to A. Now इंसा कोण एक तर manually तुम्ही push करू पजा. नाला तक अनेक air operated valve दिपो यानी पर air दिपो. त्यांना तो होते का अशी push करतो and then it will open this. मागे A असा पोय. अंगा open जातले आणि it will come here. A will the pressure come from the A side. Now what is the name non-return valve? This is the sequence. ये तुमको तो understanding करून दाखवता बस valve आहे. Next is non-return valve. But non-return valve very simple. So this is the symbol for the non-return valve. They are showing the symbol. This is the non-return valve. Basically one circle, it's a triangle, and there is one spring. So the compressor pressure air will come here. Okay, it will push this valve against this spring. Or just spring compression going up, then automatically there will be clearance here and air will come out here. Okay, and it will go further. Supposing pressure now, then this side pressure will come back, reverse it, and it will get blocked here. Right? Non-return valve. So NRV If the valve permit the flow of the air in the direction of the other direction is blocked in all the types. Simple types of non-return valve is the check valve. Check valve is non-return simple example. Completely blocks airflow in the one direction while permitting the flow in the opposite direction with minimum pressure loss. Check valves are used where different components have to be isolated to avoid the interference or for safety reasons. त्याच्यानंतर असं flow control valve. What do you mean by flow control? Flow control valve आता समज if you connected a cylinder, it impacting on the machine very hard. Tap, same pressure. You want to reduce that speed impact. Control. Then you need to introduce this before going to the cylinder. In all opposite. See, a flow control valve regulates the rate of flow. The design is either fixed or variable register. Throttling action is identical in both directions of flow. Throttling is the best example of your accelerator. Scooter accelerator असतो मला. So ज्यांना चढ open केली की there is more flow is going. काय accelerator म्हणतात. Same मग so actually the throttling. चढ open केला चढ flow होता. कमी केला कमी flow होता. Such in this we are doing throttling. Needle आती we rotate now. If you close it, कमी rate. If you full open, full rate. So that will time open it will speed up. And the symbol for this type of flow control valve is like this. Okay, this is the symbol for the flow control. So your function circuit you can flow control valve and you have to fix it. So this is the way you have to read that circuit and you have to connect that circuit. Throttle action to be identified both direction is flow. And adjustment of the restrictor for flow control is done manually. Next, they are not given here direction control valve. Here they kept direction control valve. They are given only. This is the value they are given. We skip this. So on the direction control valve, I already done normal. So they have given here what are the different types of direction control valves are used. The air passes and are used principally for controlling the commencement, termination, and direction of the airflow. Depending on the number of paths the air is allowed to take, the direction valves are termed 2 ways, 3 ways, 4 way, or multi-way valves. The multi-way direction control is described the number of ports or opening, that is 2 way, 3 way, 4 way, 5 way, etc. The number of position, maybe 2 position, 3 position, etc. The method of actuation of valve manually, air, pilot, solenoid, etc. यहाँ तो already solve हुआ है. How to operate? Special feature of operation manual or override, etc. 5/2 means there are 5 ports, 2 positions. 5/3 there are 3 positions. Third position will hold the middle position. Okay, तुमको थिंगा compress करो door पर जाए. Okay, then this type of valve you have to use. That is 5/3 valve. 3 position. Third position will be there. कोई तो गैलो पर press करो, things सगळे ते block जाणार. There's no backs. This is the one. This is the pressure regulating valve. How this regulate? There is P1 and P2 is given here. You have to adjust the spring for against it, and this is a symbol for this pressure regulating valve. These valves are used mainly as a safety valves, pressure regulating valve. Directional control with my only they are given, but in our book, no, they are given details. When we open that, no, mainly book open, but now these are the pneumatic symbols. Symbols of pneumatic components. There are so many studies. First, main air supply. First available. This is what exhaust air. Air it will show like it. Dot. It's a pilot air. There is T connection shown is air pipes connection. You have to put a T feed and you have to connect both them. What is this? One line, one like this. So air pipes not connected. Next, this is what air bleed. Air bleed my बाहेर असतो. This is the 3x2 valve. Okay, this directional control valve is here. 3x2 valve also असतो. Now you can see over there. You have to count this. How many ports are there? There are 3 ports. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and there are two positions. How you can identify? These are the 2 rectangles I put. There are 2 positions. Those boxes are 2 positions, and these are the ports. 3. This is the there is called push button. The red color up take push button. What is this? Plug activator. Also circular it's called lever activator. Lever type activator. These are all operating this pilot of. This is called roller activator. After the point, roller operator symbol will be like this. This is a diaphragm activator. Diaphragm diaphragm this will be symbol. Now solenoid activator. Suppose the LED blink at the boy. I'm solenoid. It will show like this. Solenoid actuator. This symbol is for spring return. Okay. Now this is a single acting cylinder with spring. Single acting cylinder rectangle. Then this is the T here which shows the cylinder. There is only one inlet here of compressor. Okay, it will push the cylinder here. Then air will come. This spring push the cylinder back in the original place. We take a spring along. Single cylinder always having a spring. Double acting cylinder was big rectangle, then T, and this is your piston, connecting rod piston. There will be 2 inlet outlet. Okay, air air and both side double acting cylinder. Take one double acting. Now this is called 5x2 valve. There are 2 blocks here. 1, 2. This is the these are the 2 box, and there will be 5 port here. 5. Okay. This only one inlet you have to consider. One that is exhaust. It's of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is called reservoir, means receiving tank. This is a unidirectional resistors. Unidirectional resistor this feel like this. Shuttle valve in your system, if there is shuttle valve, the symbol will be like this. When you operate this shuttle valve, no, that ball up, you have to bring it at middle. Both sides live compressed air connection after एक हाथी press it will not operate. You have to operate in both sides. मैंने बोली वो settle वाले लोग के उनका दोनों compressor आके बोली आगे तक connection दे पाचे. And then you have to press it. Then your cylinder will operate. It is act as a safety for purpose. So by chance you press it, it cut करता. एक साइड में ऑपरेट कर पालो एक हाथ इन प्रेस करो एक हाथ इन रोलर it will cut. So it has to engage both your hands. Safety purpose this shuttle valve into it. So you have to engage both the hand. You have to press it. Then this valve open. Take a look so here this ball has to come here. Okay. Then it will open. Take a shuttle valve. This symbol they ask so many examples. What is the symbol of shuttle valve? Then next. Then 3x2 valve indicates how these valves are manually actuated by 3-way DC valve. Now NC means normally closed. It's a certain